Now CL, let's just zoom out for a moment to the 4-hour chart. I'm just looking for this final structure down, which looks like a diagonal off the 4 here as a 1, 2. I've got an A, B, looking for the 5 wave move down for the 3, then a 4, 5. It's proving tricky, this last bit, but I'm broadly looking for a move to at least 46.73 and more likely 43.87, which are the 238.2 and 2786 fibs respectively of this entire move down off the early October low. Then a strong reversal to the upside, which is lightly corrective, but still a very decent move up next. And then, you know, off the 4, I've got this ABC1, ABC2, A, B, 5 down to here for a 1, possible 2. Ideally looking lower today, but this move up this morning didn't actually hit a fib. It poked its nose above the 50% retrace of the most recent leg down, but didn't quite get to the 1.0 and the 618. So this can all be an A. We get a B, C today. So I'm looking for a decent setup to get short in CL. I didn't short it this morning at this peak because it didn't hit anything that I could rely on. And if we pull back against this move off 50.84, then push up to 52.32 to 52.54 and come off it, that would get me interested in shorting CL today. Meanwhile, the day trading line was originally down here. We've just gone above it and looped back below it. But this is looking like a 5-wave move to the downside. Again, it can be the A of a B wave back. We get a B, C, then up to hit one of these fibs. And I've got the fibs on the day trading chart. So we're going to be looking out for a potential setup, but there isn't one at the moment in CL. GC, so let's do NG next. So NG, this is the hourly chart. And in fact, let me zoom that out for a moment to the 4-hour chart because it's clearer. Okay, so off the peak, I've got this 5-wave move down here, retrace back that just spiked the 887 fib back, then another 5 down, retrace back, then this. So either I've got an A, B, and I'm getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a diagonal, in which case the next move up is going to take out 38.30. However, that hit was on this 123.6 fib. Okay, and that's the length of this initial move down measured off here. So you can have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's the 3 of 3 in an unfolding impulse. We get a 4, which should hold below the 1.0 extension, this 38.30, and then take this out here, 34.96. If we start to see that, that then is the count that I've been looking for to much, much lower. And all of this move down would be the A wave of a deeper 2 as per that weekly chart on the site, and I go through in the weekend videos. So we're right at the point of decision here in terms of how high this bounce comes and whether we can push down through that 138.2 fib next at 34.96 in natural gas.